It's Sunday, guys, and I would like to try something new. Guess what? I would like to have highlights. Mag-work kaya? So, they started pulling out some part of my hair na lalagyan nila ng kulay and masakit siya mga beshies, diba? Tis ganda. And it's my first time to be doing this one. So, tingnan natin guys kung mag-work ba siya or hindi. So, ayan, dumadami na mukha na akong manok. That's it for today's vlog, guys, and I would like to say mega love shout out to all my channel members. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please share.